Welcome. In this video, we will discuss exact match anchor text, what they are, whether you should use them, and how to balance them for SEO without risking penalties. An exact match anchor text is when the clickable text of a link exactly matches the keyword you want to rank for. For example, linking with buy running shoes if that is your target keyword. Exact match anchors can be powerful because they tells Google clearly what the link page is all about. This helps build relevance for that specific keyword. But here is the problem. If you overuse exact match anchors, it looks natural and manipulative. Google may treat it as a keyword stuffing and penalize your site. Use exact match anchors in moderation. Balance them with other types like branded, partial match, and generic anchor text. This creates a natural link profile. For example, instead of always using buy running shoes, you can mix it with best sports shoes collection, that is partial match, Nike official site, branded match, and click here for details as a generic match. Use exact match anchors when it makes sense for the reader, usually in context to rich content. Don't force it. Make it flow naturally with your sentence. Google rewards natural linking patterns. A few exact match anchors are fine, but relying on them raises red flags in Google's algorithm. Exact match anchor text are useful for SEO, but only when used carefully. Overuse can look spammy. The key is balance. Mix exact match with other types of keywords for the best results. Thanks for watching. Review your anchor text strategy today and make sure it looks natural. Smart linking improves SEO and keeps your site safe from penalties. Like, comment, and subscribe for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.